long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting.
What's up everybody? We're at Table Rock Beach today. We have the whole beach to ourselves, literally not a single person's here. But today we got Mikey with us, not only Q, you guys know Q, been in the videos before. Mikey's brand new, say what's up guys. What's up guys?
What's up guys?
The energy's not there yet, but it's going to be. Stay tuned, baby, let's go!
I'm holding on for you to come around. I've waited for so long, I've run aground. I feel I'm burning up inside. Oh, hear me crying. I feel like everyone's alive, and I am dying. Oh, 'cause you are all I need. Oh, the reason I breathe.
We saw some stingrays, lobsters, Garibaldi, saw all these dope fish. We just sent it some more. Mikey's dope, bro. You guys saw that?
Holding out for dear life. Oh, without the pain and all the strife. Oh, I know that you can make me sane. Stop me crying. I know that you will keep me safe, safe from dying. Cause you are all I need.
All right, Quinn, how do you feel about today so far?
I feel great. We saw some awesome stuff under the water, you know. We set some jumps off the cliff. About to go walk the beach, see what else there is to do around here, and hopefully get some coconuts.
The reason I breathe.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a day in the life.
Certified bounty hunters?
Alright, so we wrapped it up at the beach. Awesome day, we met some cool people out here. About to go to what, Ace? Did we sign on Ace?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Ace. He's never been there, so it's the first time where he's breaking his Ace virginity. It's gonna be dope.
Such a virgin.
Fuck you.
Freaking virgin, dude.
So
This is where we all came from. The dreams we had and all we shared. This is what we're waiting for.
So we just made it to Ace, dude. Oh. And we're about to walk in. Oh. We're gonna get some burgers. Ah! And we're gonna eat. All right, guys, listen, I'm starving. We made it to A's. Mikey, are you excited?
Yes, I'm fucking hungry.
We're
bro.
all starving. Listen, we haven't eaten since like 7 a.m. Q, look, Q, are you hungry? He's not even hungry, guys. Let's go.
The reason I
First bite, how is it?
What? All right, so if you guys didn't know, the reason we came out and did this trip today. All right, so the reason we came out here today is because Q actually was supposed to leave for the Navy. They're both going to the Navy. Q was supposed to go like November 15th, and they're like, oh, by the way, screw you. We're moving you to October, what, 3rd? Yeah. So he's leaving in like 8 days, so we want to come out, make a dope video before he left. And if you were wondering where we're at, we're in beautiful Dana Point Harbor. It's where I was born and raised. Me and Davin were born and raised here. Q-Dog's from here. Mikey's
Not from here.
not from here. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, like it, literally, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.